Hello everyone, welcome to software engineering class. Today's topic is software quality management. Software quality means develop a product that meets the defined specification and criteria. For example, if we decide that our website should be loaded in 2 seconds, so this will be the our criteria. And if the website we develop loads in less than 2 seconds, it means it meet our criteria and our defined quality is achieved. Now let us discuss the quality management process. To ensure that required level of quality is achieved, we must follow some well-defined procedure. For example, first we should define the procedure and standard. For example, we can define the standard like how the process should be done, how the coding should be done, how well the documentation should be. We can define the response time, load time, FPS, etc. This is also known as a quality assurance. Then next step is how to apply the defined procedure and standard to the process and product. It is known as a quality planning. Next part is quality control. Means we constantly check the process and product that all the standards are being applied and followed properly in the development process. And the last part is quality assessment. Quality assessment is collecting and analyzing various quality data and compare it with the standards we have defined to check whether the final product meets the standard we have defined or not. Then we must apply this procedure is known as the quality management. Now let us see the quality assurance plan. Software quality assurance means how can we assure the software quality? What can we do to assure that our product meets the quality? To achieve this, various activities are performed throughout the software development process, which check that the standards are being followed properly. For quality assurance, we can develop a SQA or software quality assurance plan for the project we are developing. To prepare a SQL plan, various activities are defined to check the standard throughout the software development process. Then through these activities, data is collected and audited against the data we have defined as a standard. And the deviation in the data is properly documented so that we can overcome the deviation and product can get back on the track for the quality we have defined. The benefits of the software quality assurance are software quality assures product produce a high quality software which is beneficial for both organization and customer. High quality applications have less bug and problems, which is beneficial in maintenance because high quality application won't need as much maintenance as low quality application, which may have many bugs and problems. So at the end, high quality applications save time and cost. Also, as an indirect benefit, the company have is eventually it will increase the main market share and integrity of the company, which will be beneficial in the long run. Now we will see some common attribute which quality software has. The first attribute are about the product itself, known as a software quality product. First is product quality. It is the confirmation to the requirement or program specification. So first thing about the quality software is to meet all the requirement of user. Means it should have all the functionality as per the user requirement. Second parameter is scalability. It means we should develop a system in such a way that if we want to scale the system, for example, if we want to add some functionalities or change some functionality, it should not be too difficult to do so. Third parameter is documentation. All the documentation we produce, like user manual, program guide, etc., should be easy enough and should be useful if someone gets stuck at any point. We can also have a quality control for the source code, like readability. It means how the code is readable. Can some other developer easily understand the code and change it if needed? It is known as a readability of code. We can achieve the readability by following the coding standard and coding guidelines. Second thing is ease of maintenance. Testing and debugging. It means our code should be written in such a way that it should be easy to maintain and change the code. It should be easy enough to understand and test, and it should be easy enough to debug some errors. Third is low complexity. It means our code should not be too much complex, such that no one can understand your code except you. Fourth is low resources consumption. It means our code should be written in such a way that it uses the minimal resources like memory, hard disk space, or processor. And the fifth one is code documentation. Means we should prepare a well-defined code documentation, which can be internal or external, so that one can read the documentation and understand the code. So this is all about the software quality. What we have discussed is what is software quality, how the quality management is done, software quality assurance plan, benefits of the software quality assured product, and attribute of good quality software. So I hope you understand everything. Please let me know in the comment if you have any query. Thank you.